Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to our channel. If you're new around here, hey, hello, and welcome. We're so excited to have you. Today, I can't wait to make with you this paper chain snake. So let's go ahead and get started. And if you enjoy our video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell so you'll know when our videos go live every Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday. All right, let's get started. So as you can see, I have 4 different colors for the body of our snake, and then 2 others just for our details. So let's go ahead and get out our 4 different colors for our snake. Yours don't have to be green. You can do a rainbow snake or however you want. We just want 4 pieces of paper striped out into 5 different sections. Watch how I do it. I'm gonna go ahead and just use the width of my ruler as my stripe, just to make it easier. And by the way, my hands are tinted a little blue. I was just tie-dyeing before this. Time to speed this up a little bit. Okay, now it's time to find the middle of our page. So you can either do this by measuring or fold your page in half. All right, we should have 10 sections. Count them up, guys. And all 4 pieces of paper. See how I have them all lined up, guys? Now it's time to cut. And remember, if it's too hard to cut with all 4 pieces of paper, you'll just have to make the ruler marks on each piece. As you go to cut each little section in half, make sure you're putting each little booklet right on top of each other so that the papers stay in order. Now it's time to choose a color piece of paper for the tail and the head. I'm going to go with light green for mine, but you guys do what you want. So let's draw on, first, the width of the ruler 2 times. See how I do it? Great. One more time. And now it's time to draw on the tip of the tail and the head of the snake. Oh yeah, let's just close it up at the top because we'll be cutting that later. Follow along. Perfect. Now we have our head and our tail. Let's go ahead and cut them out. Okay, time for a few details. Let's get out our other 2 pieces of paper. First, I'm going to draw on a tongue, and then we'll go ahead and cut out 2 orange circles for its eyes. And here, I'm just drawing on the pupil of the snake's eye, and a few more details to the tail, and we're ready for our paper chain. After we glue on our details, of course. Chain time! So simply all you have to do is put a little dab of glue on one end of our piece of paper, roll it into a circle, and glue it to the other side. Whoops, didn't mean to drop that. We're going to repeat the same step, so stick the paper through the ring and glue it together on the other side. Sorry, it's hard to see here. There we go. All right, 2 chains together. About 38 more to go, right? We had 10 sections on each piece of paper and we had 4 papers. So 10 times 4 equals 40. Alright guys, it's starting to come together. I like how all the different colors really play off each other. It's going to give our snake an ombre effect, which means it's going to fade in and out from dark to light, dark to light. It's going to look really cool in the end. What do you think? Wow, look at that chain. It looks so cool. Now it's time to add on our tail and our head. So all we have to do is slide it through one end of our paper chain, dab it with a little glue, and fold it over. You got it. All right, let's get our head on now. I can't wait to see this all completed. Now let's just add on the nostrils and a couple details if you'd like. I'm just gonna give mine white polka dots down his spine. Fact time! I have some fun facts about snakes for you guys. Did you know that snakes don't have eyelids? Yikes! I can't imagine not being able to blink. But anyway, I have another fact for you. Did you know that snakes have flexible jaws, which allow them to eat prey bigger than their head? Whoa, that's a big bite. And speaking of big, anacondas, which is a type of snake, they're non-venomous and they're found in South America, but they can reach up to 16 feet in length. That's a big boy. Well, there you have it, our paper chain snake. How cool did he turn out? And did you know that snakes smell with their tongue? He's sniffing you now. Well, I hope you guys had the best time hanging out with me, and I can't wait to see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell. Bye!